This is Tushar Khanna. I recently completed my BTech from JP University, Noida, and my stream was Electronics and Communication. I have no work experience. I'm a fresher. My GD was a case study which was related to Coca-Cola industry. Actually, Coca-Cola had some problems that some of its samples contained some pesticides, and with that, their brand image was getting down. So it was a case study. What steps should Coca-Cola apply now? What strategies should they formulate in order to overcome this problem? It was a kind of a good case, and the discussion was quite healthy. At times, the discussion went somewhat in a fish market situation. Tried to play a moderator at that time. I also did the same. I tried to, give the chance to people who were not speaking at all. Then, in the end, we were also asked to summarize the case. Not all of the students, but one of them was asked to summarize within a minute what actually the discussion was all about. After that, it was my personal interview, which started with a technical note. It was some talks about GSM and CDMA, what is the difference between them, and some generalized technical aspects of both these technologies. Again, then it was related to my extracurricular activities, which was cricket mostly. So I was asked some basic questions about how the fielding positions are like. So the interview went into a light note at that moment. Then it was related to why MBA and that I have an engineering background. Why do I want to get in a managerial position when I'm good at designing and manufacturing the things? Why I want to go in, marketing them and operating them. So these were the kinds of questions that took the whole interview to an MBA perspective. Then there were some general knowledge questions related to Indian politics, the very basic knowledge, like what's happening in the country at that time and what's not. Though, just try to maintain your confidence at the time. If you don't know any answer, don't try to false them around. Just straight away reply that you don't know it. It's very obvious that not any person can know all the things. So my basic advice would be the interview will start with some point at your resume and will carry forward according to what you answer. So, the most important thing is that whatever you write in your resume, just try to know everything about it. And that's all.